G'day YouTubers, how you going? My name's Wilfred, Western Wolfers, PC World, Lakeside Cottage and Lark Sport. Today I've got an unboxing for you. It's the Engel. Yeah, Engel. E-N-G-E-L. Now, I got this for a couple of reasons. I might get a sale. I can take this in the car and basically keep everything either frozen or keep everything, that's what I'm looking for, cold. Alright. And also, if my brothers want to go away, take the kids somewhere on the weekend, they can come up, pick the fridge up, and away you go. Now, I've got a couple extra things with this, but these are the accessories that comes with it. Get yourself a little, at the moment, drinking flask. Quite an interesting little thing. Get yourself a cap. Just sort of sort this out. Now that's another, I think it's sort of like a scarf type thing. You can go around your head, around your neck, around your head, whatever. Just move them out of the way. But these actually work, good product to get by, and you want the battery backup also, which I've got down here, to go with it. Alright, I'll show you that for the next video. Well, as part of this video, I'm not quite sure. No, actually the backdrop you'll see is of some birds that I filmed earlier. You have a fishing video on the other side. It comes with a LED sports light. We'll open that up. Okay, it doesn't want to come out of the box. Come on. So I will. That's a scarf thing. So it comes with very basic instructions by the look of it. I'll take a quick scan of these pages and put them into the video as well. That's the LED light. Very simple, we've got a power switch there. That one. That's that there. And you've got, what else? You got a power switch for that one now. Quite a bright light actually. Not quite sure what that does. It just turns the handle. You got another switch here. That turns the handle, and this one turns it on. Little carrying thing, so if you only want this one here, just use that. Not a bad idea actually. And also, perhaps the knife out. Comes a little charger. You can charge it up to from your main power point or anything else like that, or cigarette charger. So that's not a bad little setup for that. It comes with a money safe. I know this is a gimmick thing, but that's basically about it. The money safe. Keys in here. It looks good, gimmicky wise. Should be okay. And also, Comes with 2 packs of cards. I like this idea. That's an interesting little thing in there. It's a 50th anniversary packet. This is what 50th anniversary setup. And you get to it. This thing here will go around the Engler and keep it cold. I'll help keep it cold anyway. Let's have a look at it. Is that the way? So now I can go to sale, I hope, in the future, and when I do go to sale, it's like, take this with me, buy the frozen food, stuff like that. And let's have a look at this, shall we? So this somehow wraps around that device. I have to work that out later. That's the size of that. I'll show you with it on later anyway. Sort that out later. Next, big box. Now I'm gonna have to, what I'll do is I'll open it up, get it out of the box, and I'll cut it down so you can zoom into it with the camera. I'm only here by myself doing this, so pretty well packed, well, I have to admit, which is good. Now, I like this. This is good, environmental friendly packaging. A lot of companies don't do this anymore, but that's all recyclable, which I'm rapt about. Okay, let me get you it. Say one thing, it's packed bloody well. Let's cheat a little bit. All the one ways can you get. Now. Okay, welcome back. Now this is the Engel 50-year anniversary one. Now we're having here, we'll go a quick look around. It's easier to do it this way. You have several controls here. You can actually set the temperature here. You have mode, and you can actually select if you want it to be trickle powered or full on power. There's a handle that's got to go under here, and another handle that goes under here. Now this is the catch for releasing it, and we'll have a look inside. That's where it comes with that. Quite a nice little setup actually. I'm impressed with this. Pretty much set up. Close that off. Now what else? These accessories. This one here can go straight from any cigarette lighter to the car thing, to your cigarette lighter to your fridge. This one here can go from the mains to the fridge, and we've got the two bars that will be the handles. We've got accessories here. You've got to register this online. You get more accessories here. Okay, welcome back, YouTubers. Now we've got it all together. You can see the handles do look good on it. Kind of impressed with that. You can still access everything down here when you're driving. And this is all sealed, so it's not going to come apart. You can see the tape there. So I'll get around to that. You got all the controls here. You can see all that. And you have the anniversary label here, 50th anniversary limited edition one. You can actually see this one here, it's got a little pocket in here. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, now that's a little pocket. You can put anything you want into there, like pouches, extra goodies, whatever you want to put into there. But I'm actually kind of impressed with this. Very much so. Okay, I'll simply undo that. Another zip here. And control that. Trying to do this with a camera, it's not that easy. So you can just take that off there like that, that'll just fall down. I can tape that onto there too. Then I'll put that on in a minute. And that opens up. So it's actually going to be, I'll test this out and I'll see how long it goes. That's how well it goes for. Okay. I'll just fix this tape up and then I will show you the next thing I got. Okay. This is the other thing I got. The Engel Smart Battery box. First of all, it comes with the instruction manual, which I'll go through later. We have, what was this thing? This one, it comes, so one of the leads that you can go, can't remember what the lead is for. It's either 240 or, 240 volt lead. I'll open that up. Okay, sorry about that. Now this one here is a protection thing. You've got a fuse box there, so if something goes wrong or short, it won't stuff the fridge up. So that's protecting the lead. Next, what we've got here. This one's a 24 volt charger for the main battery pack. We'll get to that now. I'll show you that. So basically just a standard brick charger. And this one, let's pop it out. I'm going to put down the camera. And this one is what hooks up to your cigarette lighter, and you go, so that's another like that gives it so rely power straight. So when you've got the car battery hooked up to it, it just draws power from the battery, but when you put it into your car, you can have one hooked up to your car battery. So when you're driving, that will charge up the big battery charger here, and the fridge will live off that. And then when you stop, the fridge will just live off this one till it's done. Now, I'm going to stop this and I'll show you the battery itself, the battery box. Okay, now this is the Engel. It's got a legend in reality. Interesting name, but this is the box itself. Now I bought this one they had test one there with a battery in it, so I asked basically I wanted the battery as well, so I didn't have to worry about mucking around. So we turn it on. You got on mode, you can turn that off. That should be off anyway, yeah. And you can actually set up different, you get 12 volts saying it's fully charged at the moment. I've got to read through all the information yet. That's supposed to say info. That's all it does. Let's have a look. Okay, we've got to turn it off. Turn it back on. Push info. There we go. Tells you it's in the testing cycle at the moment. Now this battery is going to be for the boat as well, so when I get a motor for the boat, it's going to be electric, so I don't have to worry about paying fuel and stuff like that. And trust me, this thing's bloody heavy. Okay, I'll have to have a look at all this later. Just it's a battery isolator. Okay, we'll just leave that alone. How it came. In here you've got standard 12 volt DC. I've got to read the manual for all this. And you have an outlet here for the volts. Spin this around. You have a little adapter there for a plug. Open this up. Have your standard. It's off at the moment. You can turn it on, you can turn it off. You can get a USB B port there. There's a USB port. And you turn it on and off, and you've got your what's the name output there, standard one. Now I'll spin this around on the other side. You have extra terminals there, so you can just basically plug up, say, your boat battery or your boat motor to it, and you're right to go. And this plug, okay, that's an AC vent. That's an AC vent, sorry, air vent, sorry. That's my fault, air vent there. Can't unplug that. And a little plug there you can plug stuff up to. I don't know how well this would be watertight wise, but I'd probably put a bag or something when you take it to the boat or something. Now this opens up. It's going to be a heavy little sucker, this thing. Now, when you come with this one, you don't normally get these leads to come with it. You get the leads, but you don't get the terminals to come with it. The gentleman who bought it off, he actually put the terminals on himself. Which he did. I think he did a really good job of it. But that's what holding that. It's a marine battery in there, so I wanted something that's going to be sturdy, strong, do the job how I want it to be done, and so on. You know what I mean? I didn't want anything that's going to be what's the word I'm looking for? Half-hearted. Like, I know you can buy cheaper systems out there, I know you can do all that, but you want something that's good. Well, I think this will do. The weight factor is bloody heavy, but this will do for what I want for keeping the fridge cold when I'm driving to sail, or when somebody goes on holiday they can borrow it, and keeping stuff frozen and so on. I hope you liked the unboxing of all this stuff, and please leave any comments. I hope you all have a nice day now. My name's Wilfred West from Wilfred's PC World, Lakeside Cottage and Lock Sport, signing off.